Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to back up Steam game files on your Windows PC or Mac. Backing up your Steam game files is a pretty smart way to save time and bandwidth, especially when reinstalling games or switching devices. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. So first up, we have to launch the Steam client on your Windows PC or your Mac OS device. And then you have to navigate to your game library. And then you have to right click on the title of the game you want to backup. And then you have to choose the Properties option in the pop-up menu. In the Properties windows, click on the Install Files tab in the left sidebar. And then choose Backup Game Files option. And then you have to hit the Browse option to select the folder where you would like the backup to be created. And then you have to hit the Create Backup button to begin. And once the process is completed, select Open Folder to view the backup files. You can now move or burn these files to another storage device as needed. And there you have it. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow gamers. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such handy tips and tricks. And I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye-bye.